Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gamma AI presentations. Gamma AI is an innovative tool designed to simplify content creation. It allows you to generate professional presentations, documents, and even web pages in just minutes. You can start with a simple idea, a detailed outline, or even import existing files. This platform helps transform your thoughts into visually appealing and interactive content with remarkable ease, offering a free tier to begin your creative journey. Gamma AI offers several powerful features to streamline your workflow. You can generate entire presentations instantly from a simple prompt, saving hours of design time. The platform provides customizable templates, allowing you to easily match your brand style. Integrating media like GIF, videos, and charts is straightforward with drag-and-drop functionality. Plus, with one-click restyling, you can refresh your entire presentation's visual appeal in moments, ensuring a polished look. To create your presentation, first sign up or log into the Gamma AI website. Next, select your preferred creation method. Generate from a prompt, paste an existing text, or import a file or URL. Then simply enter your topic, choose your desired language, and specify the number of cards or slides you need. Gamma will quickly generate an outline, which you can review and edit before selecting a theme and refining your individual slides. For the best results with Gamma AI, always be specific in your prompts, detailing your audience and desired tone. Leverage the AI-powered speaker notes feature to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. When presenting, use Presenter View to discreetly see your current slide, the next slide, and your notes, allowing for seamless transitions. Additionally, Gamma allows you to make real-time edits to your cards while presenting, offering dynamic flexibility and engagement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.